Let's make this abstract rainforest night bloom. To begin with, I am using leftover paints because I hate wasting paint. The colors in these leftover tri-split cups are 3 greens and 3 blues. We start with green apple, deep green, and jade. For the blues, cerulean, navy, and peacock teal. I am just beginning by putting little circular motions, mixing the paint from the tri-split cup into the lines with voids in between where I'll be putting the blue. I want to have a lot of paint at the top because I will be smearing all this together to do a bloom blend. Now for the blues, just allowing the mixes to come together in this line between the greens. And I still have a little bit left over, so I'm going to do a final layer. It's not as deep, but still good. Because I want a high contrast, I'm going to stick jet black just at the final top, and it's okay that it blends here. Just want a hint of the black. I don't want it to dominate, but I do want to cast a deep shadow and contrast to what this bloom will be. This is really for frosting on a cake, but I use it as my giant palette knife. And gently taking it across. The key here is to keep that knife as parallel to the canvas as possible. And also, do not rush. I often can be impatient, and it will ruin this process. Just allow your giant palette knife to move gently all the way to the end. Don't lift it up too soon or you'll leave a void of the canvas below. Look how pretty this mixture is. I love that contrast with the dark black. And as you can see, it's already blooming beautifully. Dominant with green with hints of those beautiful blues. And of course, the black looks stunning as well. Because some of the paint has fallen to the side, and as usual, I like to continue that story, so I take the mixture and go around. I do try to do a green where the green is, a blue where the blue is, but if it's not completely perfect, that's okay. And same thing over here. More of the leftovers of the jet black can be at the top. Okay, let's take a super close look. It really is like the rainforest blooms in the midnight sky, hints of the dark allowing those beautiful blends. We have 6 colors here. Actually, we have 7 colors with the black night sky. Thank you so much for joining me today and playing with some mixes, leftover paints that I always try to use. As always, I am wishing you happy acrylic pour painting creations. Have a great day.